Hi, in front of me is MEDIATEK KT107 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this tablet. Start by opening menu. Now you need to find calendar and click on it. Then select allow and pick a date, for example that one. Now you need to double click on it and over here customize your event however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, choose location, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature by tapping on all day over here. You can also take notes, invite guests over here, create a guest list, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, and even change email. When you're done, click done at the top right corner and as you can see my event was successfully added. You can always delete it completely by clicking on it and tapping on the spin icon over here. Then confirm your choice by clicking on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!